Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious keto cookies with almond flour. We'll dive right into creating a delightful, low-carb treat perfect for any occasion. These cookies are a fantastic alternative to traditional recipes, offering a guilt-free indulgence. We'll focus on simple steps and readily available ingredients to ensure your baking success. Get ready to enjoy a sweet, satisfying snack that fits your ketogenic lifestyle perfectly. Now, let's get our hands a little messy and mix up this wonderful dough. First, whisk together your dry ingredients, like 2 cups of almond flour and 1/2 cup of erythritol in a large bowl. In another bowl, cream together 1/2 cup of softened butter with a 1/4 cup of sweetener. Then, gently beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, combine the wet and dry mixtures until a soft, pliable dough forms. It's time to bake these beauties. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius. Using a small scoop or 2 spoons, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Leave about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are a lovely golden brown. Let them cool on the sheet for 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack. Here are a few tips to make your keto cookies even better. If you prefer a crispier cookie, bake them for an extra minute or 2, but keep a close eye on them. Feel free to add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon or a pinch of nutmeg for a warm, spiced flavor. For a chocolatey twist, fold in 1/4 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips. Store your cooled cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days of delicious enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.